Hello student, this is Namrata Chaudhary. My video topic is neural network. Contents: Introduction to neural network, biological neural network, artificial neural network, architecture of simple artificial neuron, difference between artificial and biological neuron. Introduction to neural network. A neural network is a processing device, an algorithm, or an actual hardware whose design was inspired by the design and functioning of animal brain. Neural network is also known as neural net because the computing world has a lot to gain from neural network. Neural network has the ability to learn by example, which make them very flexible and powerful. There are various applications of neural network in today's world. In medical diagnosis, we use neural network, fraud detection, photo and fingerprint recognition. In this all fields, we use neural network. Next, biological neural network. Human brain consists of large number, more than 1 billion of neural cells that process information. Each cell works like a simple processor. The massive interaction between all cells and their parallel processing only make them brain's ability possible. This is the simple architecture of biological neural network. Biological neural network consists of 3 parts: dendrites, soma, axon. Dendrites receive signal from surrounding neuron. Soma, where the cell nucleus is located. Axon is a thin cylinder that transmits the signal from one neuron to other. In this architecture, next slide we saw the information flow. Information flow. This is the simple flow of information in biological neural network. Dendrite receive activation from other neurons. Soma process the incoming activation and convert them into output activation. Axon act as transmission line to send activation to other neurons. Synapses, the junction, allow signal transmission between the axon and dendrites. The process of transmission is by diffusion of chemical called neurotransmitters. Artificial neural network. Artificial neural network may be defined as an information processing model that is inspired by the biological nervous system, such as brain process information. Artificial neural network is simply inspired by biological brain. This is the model of brain. Key elements of ANN is novel structure of its information processing system. Architecture of simple artificial neuron. This is the simple architecture of artificial neuron. There is n number of processing element. Each element has its own internal state. Internal state is called activation or activity of level of neuron, which has function of input of neurons receive. Weight represent the strength of synapses. Artificial neural network has large number of highly interconnected processing element called nodes or units or neurons, which usually operates in parallel and are configured in regular architecture. Each neuron is connected with the other by connected links. These are the links where the neurons are connected. Each link is associated with weight, which contains information about the input signal. These are the weights which contain the information about the input signal. This information is used by neural net to solve a particular problem. This is the transfer function. Here we perform the summation of input signal and weights and then transfer this value to activation function. According to activation function, we calculate the output value. There is difference between artificial and biological neuron. As we compare the speed of artificial and biological neuron, so the brain has slow speed and artificial neural network has fast speed, because the structure of brain is very complex, and as compared to brain, the structure of ANN is simple. Brain is asynchronous and artificial neural network is synchronous. Task. Brain is not dedicated for particular task. We want to perform anything, then we will. But in artificial neural network, machine is designed for performing a particular task. Thank you.